Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn a little bit about finance and try to implement that stuff to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. I'm going to share my successes and my failures along the way in hopes that none of you make the same mistakes that I did. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. You have no idea how much that means to me. And if you're new here, pull up a seat and stay a while. I hope you enjoy it and consider subscribing. Today we are doing our March 10th cash envelope stuffing. Playing with the money is my favorite part. So we should have $146. So I'm gonna rub some sort quick on my fingers because I forgot to do it a while ago. Let's count this and see if it's all here. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 10, 25, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. $146. So, how are you all today? I hope everyone is doing fine. I am doing okay. Had a few days off of work, and I think I needed them. But anyway, so this is not going to go real far. The first thing that I need to do, we haven't done it in a hot minute, is pull out my wallet and get rid of some change because I have been using my cash envelopes, y'all. Now, for those who don't know, I actually carry change in my wallet to try to prevent an over collection of coins, but all that I keep in there is enough to make a little bit of change with. So, but I don't carry enough to make the next denomination up. So like 4 quarters would make $1, so I only carry 3. More than 2 dimes would be a quarter plus something, so I only carry 2 dimes, that kind of thing. So this I'm gonna stick back in my wallet, and the rest of this is gonna go in our change jar. I'm not even going to count it, y'all. We're just going to toss it and go. I want to make something to put on the top of this to make it pretty for you guys. I'm thinking about a penny earned, you know, because a penny saved is a penny earned, and they're all being saved, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking about that. Let me know your thoughts on it. I'm going to set this to the side, and we'll get to cash stuffing. So we're going to start with the cash envelopes that go in my wallet, and let's see, clothing and eating out are not getting anything. Erica is going to get $25 this time because my tax check was in there. Now, I did spend some money, believe it or not, and it was all on food. But I went to lunch with a coworker, and I sent Eric to pick me up some chicken strips because I felt a little weird one day, and I was like, I need some protein. I'm not going to cook anything. Do you care to stop while you're out and grab those? And instead of taking it out of the eat out money, I just took it out of mine because it was only going for me. But, okay, so we're going to add 25. And that should be $60. So let's count this. 20, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Y'all, I have $60. I don't generally have a lot of money in my Erica envelope, so I am excited about that, and I have no idea what I'll spend it on. Okay, gas is not getting anything, groceries is not getting anything. Joint miscellaneous is going to get $17. So we'll pull this out. We actually have been doing pretty good about limiting our spending, so I'm really proud of us. For those who don't know, I am somebody who works in like payroll, so we're always off. The dates are never right. So you might see me hesitate about writing the date down, and it's because during my day job, I'm always dealing with a different period than what the current date is. Okay, so this should come out to be 29. Got 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. No. Okay, that is, oh, nope. Paula's gonna get some money. By the way, what I've decided to do with this is instead of going meal by meal, and if I skip a meal, putting the money in here, my goal is for us to not spend all of our eating out money. I know, that's a lofty goal. If you guys have been following me for a while, that is a very, very lofty goal. But my thought is, each month, if I have money left out of the eat out money, then I will add that money to this envelope and color in one of the things until this is all the way filled in. It's probably going to take longer than a year because I think there's a lot more than 12 on there. Maybe there's not. Oh yeah, there's a lot more than 12 on there. What am I thinking? Anyway, I'll just fill this in as we go and we'll see how much is in there when it's all done, because Lord knows the months that we're going to have something left are few and far between. But anyway, Paula's got $5 in her envelope. She's going to get another $5. So and that of course is $10, 5 and 10. So not too shabby. We're right back where we started at in February, so that's not bad. Okay, and of course there's nothing in going back to the bank this week. So we'll set those to the side. Now, to get to the fun stuff. Y'all know how much I really want that litter robot. So the automatic litter box is getting $30. Thank God for the tax money showing up. Okay. We should have $104 in here after we add all that. Okay. If I can get it to straighten up. Let's count this. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 5, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we do have $104 in here. Now, as far as this thing goes, let me find my calculator. Okay, each of these is worth 15. So if we take the $104 we have and divide it by 15, we should have 6 of these colored in, and there's only 4, so we get to color in 2. Okay, so we're making progress, y'all. Making progress, and that's all we can ask for, right? I apologize if you can hear my dog scratching in the kitchen. She is sick today. She's so mad at me. She's a miniature poodle, and she has had vomiting and diarrhea and is real mad at me because I've got her locked in the kitchen, but that's the only place where I've got a floor where it would be easy to clean up. And so she's trying to scratch her way under the gate at the kitchen. Okay, so that's everything in this binder. We'll just set it right over here. The Murphy Fund, which I finally made a cover for. I don't know if you all saw my last video, but finally got a cover for it. I think it's cute. We're gonna put some money in here, and if you did watch that video, I did correct these. So I ended up taking the money out of the gas envelope that was in my purse and took the money for the car repair out of that. But we have $1,000 in the bank for the Murphy Fund. Oh, I need to add the, what are we adding? $30. So 20 and a 10. So we've got okay. Let's do this thing. Should have $11.89. So we've got $1,000 in the bank. These placeholders should be up in my shop by now, so if you're interested in it, ooh, you can find those there. I think it's so cute. Okay, so that's 1,000, and then 150, 70, 80, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $1,189 in the emergency fund. And if we take that $1,189 and divide by 40, we can color in one more. So let's do that. Okay, so let's put all this back together. I'm going to put the cash behind the placeholder because I want to see the cash when I'm looking on the back of it when I flip through this thing. There's something very aesthetically pleasing about that $100 bill back there. Okay, so that's all for this binder. Set it to the side. And we're gonna break out the holidays. So we'll flip through here and find Mother's Day. Mother's Day is gonna get $3. So and that should give us $25. So we've got 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't like when my bills are all folded up weird, y'all. Do you? Does that make anyone else crazy? Okay. So if we take $25 divided by $1.50, we should have 16 of them colored in. The first row is 10, so we need 2 more. Let's do this. I'm glad we've got plenty of time left on this one. Although, it's still progress, right? So let's put this in here. Mother's Day is done. And Father's Day is next in line. It is going to get $6. So we'll pull out a 5 and a 1. Slide this in here. 6. And that should give us $25 here. Look, we're staying head and head with Mother's and Father's Day. We should have 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that worked out nicely. Now, 25 divided by $1.50, because we just did that, is going to be 16. So it looks like we can color in 4 on the beer stein thingies for Father's Day. Okay, so let's put all this back together. Load it up. And that's all for this binder. We're making it through these rather quickly, aren't we? Okay, and last but definitely not least, because it's going to have the absolute most impact on my life right now, we've got $30 going into our debt snowball for March. So my goal is to have a $50 debt snowball each month. I don't know, or debt snowball payment each month. I don't know if we'll get there, but we're going to get as close as we can. I never did clear this off last month. But anyway, I've got $32. Each one's worth $1, so I should have 3 rows plus 2 colored. So I'm just going to color these in right now. Okay, so it appears we made some decent progress on that. I am happy with that. So that is all of the money that we had over here, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. My next video should be my March 15th paycheck budget, so make sure to join me for that one. If you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen, so be sure to check that out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!